Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can reactivate Facebook dating after deleting. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you need to do is simply need to go ahead, open up your Facebook, make sure it's updated, because if that dating option is not showing up, it's because your app is not updated. Now what you're going to do here is you're simply going to go ahead and tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner. Here you will find a list of things, and in this list you should be finding an option of dating. And when you tap on the dating option, you should be able to go ahead and check out your profile. Now, if you don't see it immediately, you need to go back and go to search bar and simply search in Facebook dating. When you search Facebook dating, you will find plenty of groups. In an easy way, you can also go ahead and join the groups for you to get into the dating pool in Facebook and get updates. But you should be able to find the option right over here and in the see more section, right? And then you can just tap on it and then you can create yourself a new account. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.